Small changes which make a big difference. Our happiness and success rely on thinking constructive thoughts, acting with intent, and creating strong relationships with others. You don't take to take huge, sweeping, radical steps. Small and simple changes are often the best way forward. They are sustainable and manageable, and you are not likely to give up after one half-hearted attempt. Here are 8 to try. Number 1. Perfect your morning routine. The way you start your day determines how the rest of your day will pan out. Because of this, it's important to create a morning routine that works well for you. Everyone's dream will look very different, especially because of the times we are in at the moment. You could use the time to enjoy some morning coffee, writing in your notebook, or even carry out some light exercises. Finding the right morning routine is the key and will set the stage for a great day. Number 2. Stop comparing. There will always be someone more successful, more accomplished, with more medals, more money, and better promotion. This constant comparison games means you will likely never measure up. The bar is always moving and usually it's up. Find the real meaning in your effort. Meaning is a powerful way to overcome comparison to others as you focus on impact and contribution. Number 3. Get a side hustle. Some do them to give themselves extra financial security, others for extra spending money. Some do them to achieve some creative fulfillment, and others because their job no longer challenges them. One of the things that seems to be overlooked is that a side hustle doesn't have to stay on the side, and you don't have to have just one. You can use your side hustle to diversify your income, and you could ever make it your full-time job. Number 4. Be more organized. Being an organized person will definitely improve your life. Without question, being organized helps you to be more efficient and productive. Due to the fact that you will be on the top of everything on your to-do list, you will be stress-free and happier. If you are an organized person, you will have more time for meal preparation and planning, so you are more likely to choose healthier options. Most importantly, the advantages of being organized are about having more time for you and allowing you to live more intentionally. Number 5. Do something new every week. Predictable days and habits keep us in a rut. Every week, pick one new small change you want to make. Intentionally shake up the routine and try something you have never done before. Even a small change, such as watching an interesting TED Talk while getting ready in the morning, or experimenting with a new menu item on the grill, can trigger new energy. Number 6. Get an early start. To me, getting an early start to my day is not necessarily about arriving to work early or getting more things done before the day officially starts. It's about having those extra few minutes just for yourself, to really enjoy that morning coffee, to get into a good workout, or have a light stretch, get a positive attitude and prepare yourself for the day ahead. If your life is very busy with work and family, this might be the only chance where you can get experience of a couple of minutes of that joy of solitude, to do something just for yourself. Number 7. Spend time alone. There is something cathartic about spending time alone, regardless of whether you are an introvert or extrovert, whether you love being around people or prefer your own company. We should all make time be spent alone on a regular basis. That time alone allows you to recharge, allows you to take a break from others, and allows you to just be on your own, doing what you want when you want. You could do something as simple as going to your favorite cafe on your own and reading a magazine while eating cake. Or you could ramp it up by booking yourself into a hotel for a few nights all on your own. Number 8. Do your work at your desk. In reality, multitasking is a productive killer. Sitting at your desk when working on an important task will keep distractions to minimum, which will turn make your work much more productive. The same things go for turning off your mobile phone or TV while working on something important. It minimizes distractions. This also doesn't apply just to work, but also other important things you need to take care of, like having to make important phone calls, set up appointments, etc. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button so you can get the notification of new fascinating video. Thank you.